In almost any competition, you'll find someone on the court, field, or arena with an almost insane determination and look in their eyes. They're hungry, they're driven, and they're ready to win. They'll do almost anything it takes to make it happen. They want it. There are organizations accomplishing impossible things. There are people showing up and doing the daily consistent training and disciplines to crush their competition. But most owners are complaining about their team and their players. Most feel like their team is highly unmotivated. Are you struggling in today's labor market? Are your employees playing the game of your business with any of their hearts? There are many factors that contribute to people's actions, but in every competition, there is a common denominator that drives people. In some strange way in today's work environment, it's perfectly common to want employees highly engaged at winning without knowing what the score is. We're essentially asking them to bowl into a curtain, to show up with fire in their eyes and excited to get a strike without having a clue what the score is. Keep bowling, we say. Bowl with passion. Show up excited. You have no clue what the score is, but I want you extremely ready to go this morning. Let's get more sheets off that machine. Oh, and by the way, you're not going to have any clue if you're winning or not. Put in the passion and drive in your daily patterns, but there's no score here. It can be said, show me how someone is measured, and I will show you how they will behave. Do your employees know what the scoreboard even looks like on your playing field? Do they know what success means in your organization? Have you given them a reason to be hungry? There is something deeply embedded in humans to crave a good competition. Every single human has the ability to do amazing things. We just have to learn to coach, teach, and measure in a way that moves people to action. As you create the score for your team and make it visible to them, your team will